Imagine a village where the well has run dry. The earth is cracked and barren, like a mosaic of despair. Women walk for miles under a scorching sun, their backs aching, carrying heavy pots of water. Pots and jugs that must last their families for days. This is not a scene from a distant past, it is the daily reality for millions across India today. Water, the very essence of life, is becoming a luxury. We see it in our cities, where taps sputter and run dry for hours, sometimes days. Queues form for water tankers. We see it in our farmlands, where crops wither. Farmers gaze at an empty sky, praying for rain that does not come. This silent crisis is creeping into every corner of our lives, threatening our health, our food, and our future. We must open our eyes and acknowledge the truth of our parched land before it is too late. The scale of this challenge is staggering and demands our immediate attention. India is home to 18% of the world's population, yet we possess only 4% of its freshwater resources. According to a report by NITI Aayog, nearly 600 million Indians face high to extreme water stress. This is not just a number on a page. It represents half our nation struggling for a basic human need. It means children missing school because they must fetch water. It means hospitals facing shortages, compromising sanitation and health. It means industries stalling, economic growth held hostage by water availability. The crisis is not looming in the future. It is here now, affecting lives and livelihoods. This scarcity touches the food on our plates. It threatens the stability of our communities. The daily struggle for water creates a ripple effect of hardship. One of the primary drivers of our water crisis is the sheer pressure of our growing population. As our numbers swell, so does the demand for water, for drinking, for sanitation, for producing food, for powering our industries. More homes need piped water. More farmers need irrigation. More factories need processed water. Cities are expanding at unprecedented speed. Concrete surfaces stop rainwater from seeping into the ground. Pollution compounds the crisis. Untreated sewage flows into rivers and lakes. Industrial effluents with toxic chemicals and heavy metals are discharged. Agricultural runoff, fertilizers and pesticides seeps into groundwater. We're destroying water quality. Climate change multiplies the problem. It's disrupting the monsoon. We face erratic patterns, long, dry spells and short, intense bursts of rainfall. Himalayan glaciers are melting, threatening long-term supplies. Despite the grim reality, there is a powerful and traditional solution right above our heads: rainwater harvesting. For centuries, our ancestors understood the wisdom of capturing rain where it falls. We can revive this practice on a massive scale. Every rooftop, every school, every office building can become a water harvesting unit. We must also revolutionize our approach to agriculture, the largest consumer of our water. The future of farming must be more crop per drop. This means moving away from water-guzzling practices and embracing smart irrigation techniques. Drip irrigation systems, sprinkler irrigation systems deliver water directly to the roots of the plants, cutting water use by up to 70% while increasing crop yields. Another critical pathway to water security is the recycling and reuse of wastewater. Every day, our cities generate billions of liters of wastewater, which is largely seen as a liability. But with proper treatment, this water can be turned into a valuable asset. Treated wastewater can be safely used for irrigating parks and farms. Cities like Singapore have shown that it is possible to treat wastewater to a high standard, even making it safe for drinking. These solutions are not just theoretical concepts. They are being successfully implemented across the country. While large-scale projects and policies are essential, the battle for water will ultimately be won or lost in our homes, neighborhoods, and daily lives. The power to make a difference rests in the hands of each and every one of us. Change begins with the simple act of being mindful. It means turning off the tap while brushing our teeth, turning off the tap while washing dishes. These small, seemingly insignificant actions, when multiplied by millions, can lead to monumental water savings. We must cultivate a culture of conservation, where wasting water is seen as socially unacceptable. In our apartment buildings and residential colonies, we can work together to install rainwater harvesting systems. Let us be the generation that came together to save every drop, to replenish our rivers and aquifers. Let us begin.